Well, it's the day after the nasty snowstorm, or I should say ice storm that we had here in Pensacola, at least nasty for what Pensacola is. Everything's defrosting. We're seeing a lot of ice around. That's just leftover, whatever's been sitting in the shade. The sun is on the other side of the car, so everything that's down here hasn't quite melted yet. Same with this is the shady side of the house. But I was greeted with what sounded like rain this morning when I was working in my office, and I'll show you why. Here's what's left of the ice in the backyard. Here's what remains on the Volkswagens, which are sitting kind of in a shady spot. But the reason why it sounded like rain is because of all the water dripping off the roof from all that ice that sits in that pine straw that's up there. My roof is always covered in pine straw. No matter how often I rake it, it builds right back up within just a couple days. And it's retaining all that water and ice, which is now dripping out of it, melting. My neighbor's house, which is in direct sunlight, has a nice fog coming off of it. Still about 28 degrees. We're expected to hit a high today of about 50. And then this weekend, we'll be looking at 70-degree weather with the potential possibility of turning the air conditioner on. So how about that? So that's what we've got. Everything is just melting up. It's getting all slushy. The roads are mostly clear, and I believe the bridges are going to open back up today at about noon. And that's all we've got. Drip, drip, drip. Everything is just dripping away. Well, until we see the next storm, that's all for now.